Okay, welcome to Ohm's Law, logo by Gulsum Ferah. So, maybe you haven't seen the previous video, but just as before, you can either connect with name or connect anonymously. You might want to connect with name if you are meeting other people in the app, because it is a multi-user app. So I'll go ahead and do that, even though I would be very surprised if someone joined me. So Lance, that's how you spell Lance, and enter connect. Okay, so this is the home space where you can access one of two different rooms. I'll show you that in a moment. But here I cleverly put the logo for Ohm's Law, again by Gulsum Ferah.
Welcome to Ohm's Law. This is an educational app for electrical engineers and a collaboration between VedX Solutions and Raptor Dance Studios. Please push A to teleport, push X to open the menu, and push the trigger to select.
Okay, so yeah, we just got the instructions and, of course, restated that this is by VedX Solutions and also our partner just for this project, Raptor Dance Studios, which is actually just Michael Barngrover. So yeah, we have branded t-shirts, of course. It's very important because this is a promotional piece. We can change it, of course, to either Raptor Dance or VedX in green. I do like my VedX in green. Or Raptor Dance again. So I will choose that one. So just like before, we have one of two rooms. We'll quickly look at the credits where we can see the names of the different people involved. They are listed up here on the billboards, including myself, Michael Barngrover, Ismail Chendik, who now works at Remio, and Gulsum Ferah. A few other names from
the developers for Ohm's Law are posted throughout the campsite.
Yeah.
Lance Powell is the design lead for the app. He is the CTO of VedX Solutions, a company working in immersive education.
So again, promotional information about us.
Michael Barngrover is the lead developer and the founder of Raptor Dance Studios.
So
to return to the home scene, push X to open the menu.
Okay, so beyond just promoting VedX, I also included this space as kind of a social space. So if you wanted to work on a little project in the workspace, in the workshop, you can do that, and then you can meet here either with other students or with a teacher. And at the moment, because we did a free version, it's up to 20 people, but of course that could be more. So yeah, as I said, I push a button, get the home, and I'm back home, and then I can enter and go into the workshop where we actually do puzzles. Okay, so at the moment there are 3 tables, but of course we can easily copy more into the space. Super easy. So here we have, I'm a little high because I'm standing up, but yeah, usually you would sit down. But okay, so we have a multimeter, which again was designed by Gulsum Ferah, and then we have these circuits, which were designed by Michael Barngrover, and
please complete the circuit using the components on the table.
Okay, so as it says here,
the trigger button.
We have an onboarding circuit, so I'll go ahead and grab these and put these in the right place. So we have battery, resistor, wire, wrong. So resistor again, wire, and wire again. Okay, and the light turns on just to show that the circuit is complete. So we go to the next circuit, and in each of the circuits we get a challenge. And it says here this amp should be 1.15 amps. Yeah, amp should be 1.5. So yeah, we can check what the battery is. It's 1.5 volts, and then we can check the resistors. So this one is 10 ohms. This one is 2 ohms, and this one is 20 ohms. So using Ohm's Law, which is also the name of the app, I would look at these three and decide which one is the correct one. So I think it's the 10 ohm one. Am I correct? Indeed, I am correct. So it should be 0.15, and it is 0.15 amperes.
Good
so
job.
If I take, so yeah, if I take it away, it says 0.75 amperes for the wire, and it should be 0.15. So we know that is incorrect.
Good job.
So we can check our own
Please
work.
complete the circuit using the appropriate battery, resistor, or wire.
We have at the moment
Check their values
4
using the
different
multimeter.
problems, each asking for either a different battery or a different resistor. And what we're solving for is the wires. But yeah, this is just to get the concept across of what we could do here, because of course we're not limited to Ohm's law, and even within Ohm's law, we're not limited to these types of puzzles that can be expanded on. So it is a nice exercise that you can do in the class to learn one of the founding principles of electrical engineering, which is Ohm's law. And this space, just like the credits campfire room, is a multiplayer. So you could come in as a class or individually or as a pair, whatever you want. So yeah, that's basically it. And my thanks to Michael Barngrover and Ismail and of course Gulsum for their help.